This lady in front of me like, are we getting shot at? Where are we going?
Let's go.
It's giving me vertigo.
Round the garden, mate. Like a teddy bear. So loud, bro. So loud. Oh my. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are talking about the weapon. Let's be honest, I need to put this more on the channel because it's such a beast, isn't it? And I do love the weapon. It's one of my first projects, one of the first original gangsters that I took from the salvage yard and turned into a beast. But today we're going to be putting Mike Ball's custom Stage 2 Plus tune on it. So let's get to it. It's got, what has it got on at the moment? It is Stage 2 Plus, but it's got a boot mod, and we're going to get rid of boot mod, and we're going to go with Mike Ball's custom tune. So yeah, let's get it in the workshop, let's get some reads, let's do it.
Oh.
Hello, Piggy.
Oh. You alright?
I can't get out of this car. No.
I struggle getting out of this car, you know that.
Oh, look at them. Just I'll see inside the door.
Right, we've got to take boot mod off.
MHD, here we come. MHD.
So in the dinosaur days, before we teamed up with Mike Ball, we did try and use boot mod on this. That was even before we got MHD. MHD, in my opinion, is a lot better than boot mod. No disrespect to boot mod. But yeah, so what we're doing is we're literally downloading the file from the boot mod server, and we're literally going to flash it back to stock. Then I'm going to read the file off it, send it to Mike, do some logs, and the whole shebang begins again. Stage 2 Mike Ball pending. So let's do it. Right guys, it's 2025, I'm 40 years old, and boot mod has finally finished downloading the file. No, it hasn't. It has. Success. Stock tune flashed successfully. Well done, boot mod. You took about 5 days and 23 seconds. Right, so now that part's done, we can begin the tunings. Right, so we've just flashed on the custom tune. Mike sent the files through. We're going to go out now and do some road logs, and we'll get some cameras in there so you can come with us. Let's go. Pop, pop, pop. Come on. Animal. Right, let's get out and do some logs. Right, so it's got Mike Ball Stage 2 on it now. See what it's like.
Mike Ball's inside.
We've got Mike inside here. It sounds a bit more vicious.
It's got a little bit of that
Okay.
40.
Getting shots off. What's that Asbotech, mate? It's very Asbotech, isn't it, this now? Mike. This is sick. Bro, it's way faster.
None of that pulsing.
There's no pulsing now. sounds like Craig, mate.
Mate, that's shot right up. It sounds like mine.
100% gonna get stopped by cops. Oh God. Asbotech. Now it sounds like a weapon. Come on! Come on, Mike! Mike, the little G's just like sauced it up, and he's like,
I've got that file for you. I've got that file.
tweak it for you, Imty. And by the way, guys, this is just like, we're just logging it right now. That this might not be it. It could be more. This is the thing, bro. Mike's a legend. Feels a lot sharper.
I don't feel the pulsing that we had
Yeah. I mean, before it was like surging, wasn't it? Yeah. Even Tom picked that up when we went to Donington. Oh, bro. Christ. I'm gonna get him to switch cold start on them. So loud, bro. So loud. It is so loud.
This lady in front of me like, are we getting shot at? That misfire. Log request has been submitted.
Oof.
Jesus, they're probably flames.
Mike!
That's faster.
Bro, it's rapid. This is what I say, guys. Custom tune. Forget that off-the-shelf stuff, mate. This is this ain't no off-the-shelf stuff, bro. This is custom tuning. I can't wait to see what it's like on the track. New.
It's gonna be mental. Where are we going?
Let's go
It's giving me vertigo.
Round the garden, mate. Like a teddy bear. One step, two step. Hey! Oh, it's sick now, bro.
Jesus.
There's some loud bangs, Mike, you naughty boy. Gonna get stopped by cops here. The thing is, then it's just quiet. It's like carnage and then nothing. The dust has settled, isn't it?
The dust has settled, yeah.
Oh my god.
Mate, that's mental.
It's fast now, isn't it?
Yeah, that pulls hard. Literally running the end of the gauges. I know they're only for pretty looks, they don't always mean anything, but
It's pulled so hard now, though, doesn't it? Oh my.
it's like being back in Baghdad.
I wonder what it's like in a built-up area. Should we go and shit the little kids up in the college around here? Let's go around here and see what these guys think. Shots fired, you know. Come on. It's all right. Bro, it's gone rapid now, hasn't it? Oh, I need to get out of here, bro.
Mate.
Just shots are being fired left, right, and centre. Oh! My, you're gonna have to turn that down, bro.
Jesus.
It is loud. It's too
They're
loud, isn't it?
offensive.
Oh my!
It made you jump. It's so
So loud.
They're offensive. So when you're in comfort, have you got no?
I ain't put it in comfort. Just left it in sports plus. Oh my! Bro, this is rapid. Alright. We're going round and round the garden again, aren't we?
Like a teddy bear. Oh God.
Oh, gosh.
Jesus Christ.
They're loud.
They're
will?
No.
Never.
No, you're not going to get on Donny when he's banging like that.
Sounds sick, bro. You know it sounds sick. And then we'll like disturbing the peace in the neighborhood. I can feel it through my arse.
Yeah. It's too much. Kind of Tesla's like that.
Yeah. You will never have what I have got. Tesla. That makes like that.
Oh. He's just rolling through. He goes, and then he doesn't.
That's just. Do you think it's like that in Comfort?
We'll see, won't we? Comfort when you're in manual normally get burbles and stuff. When you're in auto, you don't get anything. So if you leave it in manual, you'll get a little bit.
Baby burbles. Nah, we like it like this. Like full bang. Full shebanga.
That AK-47.
It's proper, isn't it? Mike's like, it's Imty's car. Just gonna
give him the full sauce.
give him the extra sauce in here. In the built-up area, I bet it sounds sick, bro.
We did that.
Oh my god. The state of emergency, the weapon is out. It's just unnecessary shots fired. Whoa! That's too much.
Jesus, mate. That was mad.
Then we get stopped by the police.
For that?
You like? You like? Here's a happy man eating his sandwich on his break, isn't he? Do you think we need to turn that down, bro?
Yeah. When them bangs are at full chart, that's spitting flames.
100%, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oi! Needs a hybrid now, doesn't it?
Mate,
Needs 650 watts.
there'd be 600, yeah. Jesus Christ.
It's like a third person is involved in the conversation.
Somebody's in the boot, what are you doing?
Oh yeah, bang! About me, bang. It's a bit too much, that is. I'm gonna have a chat with him. Mike's like
It's a bit too much. I'll just let off a little.
Mike's just sent us the fuck.
There's some people over there. Oh, we'll just shut
Mike
up.
sent us the Bradford file.
That RS3 Cuzzy file.
Mike, I think you've sent us the RS3 Cuzzy file by accident, bro. He's got like selected files for like areas, hasn't he? Like
Area
Bradford, Birmingham. He sent us the Bradford BD3 file, you know? The RS3 M240 in it, bro. With the RS6 map on it.
Jeez.
It's too much, bro.
It's fast.
It's fast. I like those bangs, but I don't think the law will like it. Innit?
You need to be able to turn them on and off. I can't stop laughing. Oh, dear.
Basically, guys, do not be surprised if the police are following us.
Oh,
Can you hear the sirens? No, you can't. You're alright.
oh, brilliant.
Right, so we've just been out, done some logs in it. It's absolutely transformed the car. Guys, trust me, I've been tuning for the last 10, 11 years, and obviously we're working with the best. We're working with more BHP and Mike Bull. Trust me, a custom tune makes all the difference. Do not be stooped into buying these files online and just paying 50, 60 quid and flashing them on your car. You don't know who's tuned them. They're not been logged correctly. They've not taken any, main factors into account, the fueling, the boost, the ambient air pressure, anything like that. Obviously, custom tuning is the way forward, and that's why we're on top of the game with it. The weapon has been fully transformed. It sounds like a bloody weapon of mass destruction now.
Mental. Yeah.
So yeah, guys, I'm sure you'll be seeing it around, and if you don't see it, you'll definitely hear it before you see it. And yeah, there's the weapon, and I think we might have to turn the bangs down a little bit though, because it's just on fire, bro. Like, share, and subscribe. See you for the next video, guys. Have your Rice Krispies. Pop, pop, bang.
Yeah.
What are you saying, Mike?
Right, how are you?
I think you gave us the Bradford edition by accident, bro.
Yeah, probably.
I felt like a RS3 cuzzy, bro.
Yeah? Why?
Oh, it's so loud, but it's sick,
What do you mean it's loud, the pops?
Yeah, when you let off the accelerator, it's like you're in Baghdad, bro.
Yeah. Oh, we'll get rid of that then, it's not a problem.
No, I like it though. I like it.